People in Jersey City complained a lot about the snow cleanup after that first snowstorm we had in January. But as Christine Sloan reports, this time around, it was a very different story.
Jersey City's new mayor was criticized during the big snowstorm in January. But during this blizzard, he tells us, he made sure there wasn't a repeat. The city even using a tracking system to get to overlooked streets.
They've done a great job on some of the main streets, but some of these one-way streets still haven't been plowed just yet.
One of those unplowed Jersey City streets, a block of Sherman Place, where snow was still covering the roadway at noon on Tuesday.
People have jobs, they have places to go. This is unacceptable.
Residents like Diane DeBraccio reaching out to the mayor on social media.
And I DM'd them this morning and I'm like, we're on Sherman because there's 3 feet of snow.
Others contacting the city directly, and within minutes of front loaders showing up to clear the street.
You could actually see the work they've done over the day.
Many plow requests ending up here in the city's snow room, where DPW trucks are tracked by GPS.
So we can see if the truck has hit it today, if the truck, if it missed it, we can call the truck and say, hey, you missed this street, what's going on?
The mayor says this system, along with live video feeds of different neighborhoods, help crews get to more snow-covered streets during the blizzard.
Do you feel like you did better this time?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I think first of all, our public works crews were phenomenal. They worked their butts off. This was, in our view, the 5th biggest storm ever in Jersey City's history.
Heavier equipment was also used in a city with many narrow and dead-end streets. The mayor promising to get better after each storm, including the one back in January.
People were right. We didn't do the level of work that we needed to do. Immediately got to work improving our operations.
On Sherman Place, this resident happy to see his street cleared.
Better late than never, as they would say, so I'm glad that they come and they cleaned it.
And now crews are getting ready for the next snowfall. In Jersey City, Christine Sloan, CBS News, New York.
And when you are finally able to drive, police are reminding everyone to remove snow and ice from their cars before getting on the road. It's not just dangerous, it'll cost you if you're caught. Police in Florham Park, New Jersey posted photos of 6 vehicles whose owners now face fines between $25 and $75. Now, if falling ice or snow from your car damages property or injures someone, that penalty can increase to $1,000.
This has turned into my biggest pet peeve. For those of us that drive to work every day, it is so dangerous, and you get behind somebody
and you see it.
Right. Oh my gosh, you can see it coming close to falling off the roof, and you're like, I gotta get in the other lane.
Well, in case it ends up coming off the roof, kind of like a piece of plywood.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Absolutely. Yeah.